Lost in Space, The Mystery of Apollo 13. What really happened during the Apollo 13 mission? Let's uncover the mystery. The tale of Apollo 13 is one of human ingenuity and survival against the odds, captivating minds for decades. In 1970, NASA's Apollo 13 mission turned from moon landing to survival story. What started as a routine lunar mission became a gripping tale of endurance and problem-solving. Launched on April 11th, Apollo 13 was the third moon landing attempt. The spacecraft aimed to continue NASA's streak of successful lunar explorations, following the historic Apollo 11 and Apollo 12 missions. Meet the crew: Jim Lovell, Jack Swigert, and Fred Haise. These astronauts were experienced, prepared, and ready to make history by exploring the Fremaro Highlands on the moon's surface. The mission started smoothly, with everything going according to plan. The spacecraft performed flawlessly as it left Earth's atmosphere, and the crew settled into their journey towards the moon. On April 13th, disaster struck when an oxygen tank exploded aboard Apollo 13. The explosion sent shockwaves through the spacecraft, immediately jeopardizing the crew's safety and the mission's success. The crew quickly reported the explosion to Mission Control, uttering the now famous words, "Houston, we have a problem." This phrase marked the beginning of a desperate struggle for survival. The explosion had catastrophic effects, causing a significant loss of oxygen and electrical power. This rendered many of the spacecraft's vital systems inoperable, escalating the severity of the crisis. With life support systems severely compromised, the astronauts faced an imminent threat. They had to quickly adapt to the dwindling resources and maintain their composure to survive the ordeal. To ensure the crew's safe return, NASA devised a plan leveraging the moon's gravity. This innovative approach aimed to correct the spacecraft's course, setting it on a trajectory back to Earth. The lunar module, originally intended for landing, transformed into a lifeboat for the Apollo 13 crew. Its systems provided the vital support needed for the astronauts' survival in space. Rationing water and power became paramount for survival. The crew meticulously managed their limited resources, ensuring they had enough to last the challenging journey back to Earth. NASA's Mission Control worked tirelessly, strategizing solutions. Engineers and scientists collaborated around the clock, using every available resource to guide the astronauts safely home amidst the crisis. Innovation thrived under pressure as engineers improvised a CO2 filter from on-hand materials. This ingenuity prevented the buildup of toxic carbon dioxide, ensuring breathable air for the astronauts. Ensuring safe re-entry into Earth's atmosphere was a critical challenge. The spacecraft's integrity and precise calculations were essential for a successful return, marking the mission's final, perilous phase. The crew meticulously followed procedures to prepare for re-entry, knowing that any misstep could be fatal. They secured all loose items and ensured the spacecraft's alignment for the critical phase ahead. As the spacecraft began its descent, tension was palpable, both on board and at Mission Control. The heat shield had to withstand intense temperatures to protect the astronauts from the inferno outside. Cheers erupted when Apollo 13 safely splashed down in the Pacific Ocean. Rescue teams quickly retrieved the crew, who were exhausted but immensely relieved to be back on Earth. The mission, though intended to explore the moon, became a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. It highlighted the importance of preparedness and adaptability in the face of unforeseen challenges. The lessons learned from Apollo 13's near disaster led to significant improvements in spaceflight safety. NASA's protocols were revamped to ensure better crisis management and resource utilization for future missions.